In this video, I'll show you how to insert a SIM card in your iPhone 16, 16 Plus, Pro and Pro Max. If your iPhone is made for the American US market, you won't have a SIM card slot, unfortunately. This is only available for the other markets. This iPhone is not for the US market, therefore it has a SIM tray right over here on the left side. So let me show you how to insert the SIM card. In the box of your iPhone, you should have this tool over here. This is a SIM eject tool. Let me show you. If you turn it around, this one right there. If you don't have it, well, you can take a needle or even a paper clip. So go over here on the left side of your iPhone and you see there's a small hole. Well, insert this SIM eject tool right in it and press gently. Okay, like that, until the tray goes out. You see, it's separated. Now you can take it out, whoops, like that. So this is the SIM tray. Now let me show you how to insert the SIM card on this small tray. So the tray goes in this direction, just to make sure, you see, with the hole down. Take your SIM card, and you're going to notice it has a small cutout on the lower left side. It's maybe hard to see on camera, but it's there. The SIM card has a cutout on one of its corners as well, and you need to match that cutout with the tray. So you just need to put the SIM card right in it like this, with this chip facing up. I don't know how to call it. So it should look like that, and it sits flush. Now we just have to take your phone and insert it gently, okay, and then simply push it until it clicks in place and make sure it stays there and nothing comes out. This is it. You have now inserted a SIM card into your iPhone 16, 16 Pro Max, whatever. Shortly after doing this, your iPhone may ask you a PIN code for this SIM card. Many times it won't ask you. And just after a few minutes, you're gonna see right on the top changing from SOS to your actual network provider. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.